Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's reading we will see what blessings are coming to you in the next 6 months. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate for all of you, but if you want to consult with a personal advisor which can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my new discovery, which is also the sponsor of this video, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance that is available and accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way, whether it's through a phone call, video chat, or text chat. What I like about them is they are committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And on top of that, they back their service with a no-risk guarantee and donate 1% of the purchases to charity at no extra cost. I recently had a reading with an advisor from Psychic Source. Her name is Venus, and I asked her a lot of questions about my career, my kids, and even my love life. And I'm so impressed with her accuracy that really helped me with a major decision that I had to make. And I also gained clarity with my future plans. Now here's the good news. I'm excited to share that Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. This can help you maximize your time and make the best connection. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen, or click the link on my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Taurus, let's see what are the blessings coming to you in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Let's see what's coming. What are the blessings? So you have Peacock. Wow. So ito'y pagpapakitang gilas. So maaring kayo ay meron kayong stage, or you will be able to be seen by a lot of people. So, kumbaga may platform ka na kung saan maipapakita mo ang iyong talento, yung galing mo. This is also about being free, malaya. Okay? So, magiging malaya ka sa expression mo, self-expression. And you have this awareness about your worth. So, magiging malakas yung self-worth, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Let's see what else. You also have the sky. Whenever you see the sky, parang pumapasok lagi sa isip ko, sky's the limit. So, ibig sabihin parang unlimited. No? This is about expansion. So, whatever situation you have right now, it is expanding, especially in your career, in your business, or in your knowledge. So, maaring iba sa inyo, mag-expand kayo ng inyong kaalaman, learning, may mga courses kayo na aaralin, may research kayo na gagawin. This is enriching your mind, okay? And then, some of you naman, if you have a business, lalong lalawak or lalaki, lalago yung business mo. If you have a career, you will see growth in your career. Maaring mas mapapansin ka sa trabaho, maaring marirecognize ka sa iyong galing, sa iyong performance sa trabaho. So, some of you might also experience yung mga leadership roles sa trabaho, promotion, things like that, no? So, if you have a business naman, yun, maaring dadami yung customers mo, dadami yung products or services na ino-offer mo. So, you are expanding, okay? You are growing. Let's see. You also have flying fish. Wow. So, itong flying fish is about taking a leap of faith. So, for some of you, Taurus, maaring maglalakas loob kayo. No? In the next 6 months, magkakaroon kayo ng lakas na loob na mag-take ng risk sa buhay. Kumbaga, sumugal sa buhay na medyo risky siya, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Kasi some of you are parang coming out of your comfort zone or getting out of your comfort zone. Umaalis ka dun sa limitations mo. Kaya nga siya flying fish kasi 'di ba ang fish, 'di ba sa dagat lang sila pero kaya nilang lumipad. So ibig sabihin nun, they can reach their highest potentials, no? So that's what I'm seeing for you. You're going to reach your highest potentials in the next 6 months. Let's see what else. Taurus. The Hermit. This is wisdom, this is knowledge, and healing. So, another blessing for you is healing from your past. Nagkakaroon ka na ng understanding doon sa mga past mistakes mo, yung mga bad decisions mo, and na-realize mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, dapat mong ayusin sa sarili mo. And you will also find peace in your solitude, no? Yung pagiging mag-isa. For some of you, if you are someone, okay, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay medyo parang introverted or you want na hindi kayo nagugulo ng iba, so you will be able to enjoy yung peace of mind na yan. You will also do self-reflection, inner work, shadow work. You have the King of Wands, where you're going to be motivated. Oh my God. Yung aking mga words na lumalabas sa bibig ko, para siyang overwhelming, na nag-uunahan siyang lumabas sa bibig ko. Kaya, magulo. But anyway, you are going to be motivated in the next 6 months. Na parang, andun yung inspiration for you. Na, you want to do a lot of things. You want to explore. Kaya nga part ng blessing sa'yo is expansion. It's getting out of your comfort zone, trying new things. You also have Judgment. Oh my God. So this is about rebirth. Kumbaga, you are rebranding. You are reinventing yourself. Oo. Ito yung tipong magugulat na lang yung iba sa inyo kasi hindi nila akalain na kaya mong gawin yon. Hindi nila akalain na ganun kalakas yung loob mo. Na parang iba yung pagkakakilala ng iba sa inyo 5 years ago. Tapos in the next 6 months, they will see you bloom. They will see you glow up. They will see you at your most confident era. 'Di ba? Oo. What else? Oh my God. Oh, you have the world. The world is your oyster. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang daming opportunities for you na dumarating. Ikaw na yung mamimili kung saan ka mas magiging masaya, saan ka mas mapapabuti. And with the world card here, this is about success. This is about rewards. This is about completing a task, completing a project. Na successful project. So, ano man yung mga projects that you are working on in the next 6 months, this is going to be successful para sa inyo. Some of you will also have an opportunity to travel abroad or work abroad or have international clients. Honor your own time of harvest. Offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greater good. So, in the next 6 months, you will experience harvest time. Doon sa mga ipinunla mo, mga sinimulan mo, even before pa. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. See? Oh my God. There is happiness in your peace. Yung pagkakaroon ng peace of mind, 'di ba? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na wala kang iniisip na problema or meron mang challenge, alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo, kalmado ka lang. Pay attention, a powerful message is being communicated to you now. So in the next 6 months, you will receive powerful messages, powerful signs that are telling you that, Taurus, this is your path. You are on the right path. Keep going. Oo. Para kumbaga you are being inspired by your experiences. Maaring meron ding unexpected message for you in the next 6 months na kung saan parang mapapasigaw ka sa saya. Love. Oh my God. Okay. Love people. Love them with all your heart. Just be sure to love yourself first. Yes. So, sabi nga, paano ka makakapagmahal ng iba kung hindi mo kayang mahalin yung sarili mo? So, it starts with you. Okay? Yung pagmamahal, yung appreciation mo sa sarili mo, pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo, you will do that in the next 6 months and you will be blessed with people na nakaka-appreciate sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa kanila. Okay? So that is your blessing, Taurus. Thank you so much and see you again.